Hello everyone. Today we are going to speak about Lesson 6, Persuasive Essay and Quantifiers. This lesson's objectives are to develop students' techniques how to convince others and to practice quantifiers usage in speeches. An outcome of the lesson is by the end of the lesson, students' vocabulary sources will be enriched with the same words and phrases. And now, let's turn to the exercises. So, exercise number 1. Make the words with its definitions. Words and word combinations are public speaking, demographics, inscrutable, handprints, soft skills, and on the other column there is given the definitions of the words. Exercise number 2. Match the parts of the persuasive essay and their definitions. So, number 1, introduction. Number 2, body. Number 3, conclusion. And their definitions, A, B, and C. A. This part should contain at least 3 paragraphs. B. This part should have a hook or rabbit to involve reader's attention. C. This part usually terminates by resuming the most important points of the arguments and expressing once again what the reader is to believe or do. Exercise number 3. Read the text and answer the questions. Students, you should read the text attentively, and at the end, you should discuss questions by giving your own opinions. Questions to discuss. Number 1. Have you ever spoken in front of the public? Number 2. Do you usually practice your speech in front of the mirror? Number 3. What do you usually do to feel confident? Today's our grammar topic is quantifiers. What is a quantifier? So, a quantifier is what we use when we want to give someone information about the number of something. For example, you left some bread on the table. I've got a few questions to ask you. So, the words some and a few are quantifiers in these examples. So, quantifiers for countable nouns. Too many, a few, several, none of. For uncountable nouns. Too much, not much, a little, a bit of, a good deal of. Both for countable and uncountable nouns. All of, some, most of, a lot of, lots of, plenty of. And now it's time to end our lesson, and your homework is, as you can see, on the following lines, list down the statements about how to convince people. Then, give at least one reason for each point. This will make an outline you can use when you write. So, statement number 1. Some people cannot persuade others. Reason: because they do not have enough information and arguments. So this is the end of our lesson. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.